Okay, I believe I've got all my materials here, but before we finish up the hands, then we need to kind of look at our fishing pole. Now, I'm simply going to make the fishing pole out of this. I think this is about a 1/4 inch dial, and then I'm going to use this is probably 3/8, I think 3/8, or it's not. No, it's not 1/2 inch. It's 3/8, and this is going to be the handle for it. I'm going to end up cutting it off a little bit. It's a little bit too long, but what we're going to do is we need to drill our holes for the fishing pole to go through. Now, once we do that, then we can finish the hand where the fishing pole will just slip in. And the way it will go, well, it will just fit like this, in other words, on the handle. And then, so what we have to do is we're gonna drill a 1/4 inch hole through. Now, usually you would put this in a vise, but since I'm having to show you this, I've got my 1/4 inch drill, and I'm going to slowly. You can do this on a drill press, and I'm going to slowly do this. There we go. Okay. That is where our fishing pole will simply fit through the hand. There it goes. There it goes, just like that, in other words. See that? It's going to fit through the hand just like that. Now I'm going to carve down this fishing pole just a little bit toward the ends and everything like that. But this will basically be our fishing pole here. Okay, now for the other hand right here, all that's going to be coming through this is that the string from the fishing pole is going to come down where you're going to have your boot hanging down here. So what we want to do is drill. I used a 1/4 inch because drill on the fishing pole. So we're just going to drill a big enough hole that the string or the line from the fishing pole can go through the hand. And this is, I think, this is a probably 5/16 or something like that. You know, you can pretty much. So let me do that. Let me kind of try to show you just very, very calmly. Now you can do this with a drill press, which is just a lot easier, but I'm just trying to show you. There it is. Where the string itself will simply fit through here, and the boot. So anyway, that's really the string itself will just fit through there, and we'll have but take this slow, folks, because you know this. You don't want to break your hand. Now we can go ahead and carve the hand. But this is our process for excuse me, let me come from this side, for drilling that through there to make the fishing pole. See, just like that. Of course, this will be cut off, and what I'm going to do with the fishing pole is to simply, I'm going to simply just take this end here, and I will come down like that. Then I'm going to take my drill. Now, please do this with a, and all I'm going to do, well, I'm not going to do that in my hands, but you would drill a hole in that, and I'm going to do that on my drill press, and then you fit it inside the handle, and that's the handle, the bigger type, the bigger handle for the fishing pole itself, in other words. And once I get that done, and of course I'm going to do that on a drill press, so I'm not going to do that while holding it. And it goes straight into there, and then now you can finish up your hands, and we'll do that. But I wanted to show you how you get that drilled where the fishing pole itself will fit inside the arm just like that. And then this hole here, all it has to be is big enough, and I think it was 5/16 or maybe a little bigger, 1/8, where the line from this fishing pole will just go through, and then the boot will be hanging down. You'll see as we go through it. But I want to show you that's how you do it. But if you have a drill press, do this on a drill press. I did it in front of you like that, but I don't like to hold things in case something should slip. But I'm doing that just to show you. Okay, I just want to give you an idea of that. Thank you now.